Here are things that you want to look out for when you're looking at a rental property. My friend Victor bought this $430,000 home north of Boston. Let's go see it and see if it's a good deal. That's the air conditioner compressor. It's a little old. It's got some rust. They last about 15 years on average. This one is probably a little older than that, so it might need to be changed soon. Then I took the drone up to the roof and it seems okay. Not in amazing shape, but not terrible shape. You can tell because the shingles are not curled up or have cracks in them, you know? As we head over to the backyard, the fence seems like it needs to be replaced in 3 different areas with materials and labor that probably costs about $1,000. You'll also probably want some vinyl on the wood on the outside. Let's walk inside. The fireplace is good, no cracks. You'll need some compound to patch these holes, probably a $25 job. Now in the kitchen, you'll want to repaint the cabinets. You'll want to paint the shelf down there and get an access panel for those valves. Bathroom downstairs literally looks like someone just gave up on it. I would remove the stucco, repaint the bathroom, and finish tiling the shower. But the vanities look good and don't need to be replaced. This living room area would need some paint. Other than that, let's head up upstairs. First room looks fine, just a new coat of paint probably. In the master bathroom, you'll probably want to paint the bathroom because it literally looks like someone just abandoned this shit. It's got a nice closet though. The next bathroom, the shower needs to be regrouted and washed. You can retile it and make it more modern, but it's not necessary. All of these rooms look pretty much okay. Maybe they'll need some paint, but that's really it. Let's move on to the garage. The house has a central vacuum system, which is nice. The boiler looks new. It says July 2017, so you don't need to change that. The breaker also looks like it's in good shape. Those things last for a long time. This one's probably like 20 years old. Let's look at the numbers now. The house is a 5-bed, 3-bath, but Victor's gonna update it into a 6-bed so this way he can collect more rent. They had contractors come to the property and they budgeted about $7,557 for the rehab. He bought the house for $430,000, putting $107,500 down for the down payment. Victor was the agent on the property, so he made about $10,000 in commissions, which he used to cover his closing costs, so his closing costs were free. Mortgage, tax, and insurance on the property every month are $2,122.41. He pays no utilities because the tenant will pay it. HOA fees are $24 per month, and he pays a property manager $300 per month and saves $622 every month for repairs and vacancy. He already has a family ready to rent it out for $3,500 a month. The total expenses are $3,068.41 per month. That leaves him with $431.59 per month in profit with a 4.5% return on investment. One thing we're not calculating here is the appreciation. The last year's home values in Pflugerville went up 49%. So if the home value still increases, then the ROI will be much higher. Ultimately, this is a solid deal. It has decent cash flow and the appreciation is there. The house is in good neighborhood and great location. Deal.